So you might be trying to figure out if you can actually downgrade your particular iPad down to iPadOS 17. So in the year of 2025, can you still go through and downgrade these particular iPads down to iPadOS 17? And the short answer of this is no. As of this point, there is no way for you to actually go ahead and downgrade really any iPad as far as we know down to iPadOS 17. And the way we know this and the way this works is that whenever there's an update available, what Apple ends up doing is they basically go through and they give us, a way to go and upgrade the phone, right, or the iPad, but they don't give us a way to downgrade the iPad natively on our iPad itself. We have to use a PC. Now, in order for Apple to go and allow that, they have to sign and basically authorize certain versions of iPadOS in order for it to be signed and basically, flashed onto our iPad. And the way we know this and the way Apple does this is you can download it straight from Files or iTunes, or you can go ahead and download it from one of these types of websites like ipsw.me. Now, when we take a look at the signed versions of iPadOS right now, you can see there's only two signed versions of iPadOS. Even on an iPad like an iPad mini 6 that came out years ago, you can see that there's only two versions right now. The two versions are iPadOS 18.2 and iPadOS 18.2.1. So that makes it, we're not able to actually go ahead and downgrade down to iPadOS 17. Now you can see there's 17 versions right here, but then, none of them are signed. The only way we can even really kind of go through and basically downgrade to iPadOS 17 is if you've already had a backup and you're restoring from a backup. So if you have a backup of your data and you're trying to restore it, then I think you should be able to still downgrade to it to that way. But if you don't have a backup or anything like that, then there's no way of really doing that. So that's kind of where we're at. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.